Looking for a tiny home that combines modern design with functionality? Look no further than the Pivot 24 Feet Tiny Home by Mitchcraft Tiny Homes, featuring a stunning gray and white modern exterior. Let's step inside. Now we look at living room with comfortable sofa that faces the door so that visitors are immediately greeted with a cozy seating area. If you enjoy watching TV, consider placing it on the wall opposite the sofa so that it's easy to see from any angle. The table serves as a natural partition between the two areas, providing a dedicated space for dining while also allowing for easy access and flow between the kitchen and guest area. The kitchen in this tiny home is fully equipped with everything you need to cook up a storm. You'll find a microwave conveniently located on the wall, allowing for easy access and freeing up valuable counter space. The oven is also a standout feature, providing a versatile cooking option in a compact package. Adjacent to the kitchen in this tiny home, you'll find a small yet functional bathroom. Despite its compact size, the bathroom is thoughtfully designed to provide everything you need for a comfortable and convenient experience. From the sink and vanity to the toilet and shower, every element has been carefully selected to maximize space and functionality. Located behind the bathroom in this tiny home is a small office room that could easily double as a bedroom. This flexible space is designed to be versatile and adaptable, allowing you to customize it to your specific needs. The stairs in this tiny home are not only designed to provide ample storage space, but also lead up to two cozy sleeping lofts. The first loft is located above the bathroom and office room and serves as the primary sleeping area, while the second loft is situated above living room and can be used as a secondary sleeping area or storage space.